Visual, split comparison, someone jittery with coffee vs calm focus with Paraxanthine. Voiceover, what if you could get the energy boost of caffeine without jitters, crash or sleep problems? Enter Paraxanthine, the new caffeine alternative everyone's whispering about. Let's dive in. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with Level Up RN. Today we're diving into the world of nootropics and smart supplements with a special focus on Paraxanthine. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Alright, let's kick things off. Imagine this, it's early morning and you need some coffee to fuel your day. But what if there was an alternative that provided a similar boost without all the side effects? Well, it might sound too good to be true, but Paraxanthine may just deliver. First things first, what exactly is Paraxanthine? Put simply, it's a major metabolite of caffeine, meaning it's one of the primary compounds your body breaks down when metabolizing caffeine, according to research published in Wikipedia. A branded form of choline that has undergone rigorous testing and certification, potentially reducing the jitters and anxiety often associated with caffeine consumption. This can be a great option for those who want to maintain their coffee habit but seek a less intense experience. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Can you use Paraxanthine to enhance your workout performance? Although Paraxanthine is associated with increased energy and focus, it's not currently recommended for use during exercise. Unlike caffeine, Paraxanthine hasn't been extensively studied in the context of athletic performance.